Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet these easy bookmark. To make this very easy bookmark, you could use any size yarn and any size hook. Start with a slip knot, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join, and that will form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make 3 double crochet in the ring. 1. To make a double crochet, yarn around the hook, insert into the stitch, pick up the yarn and pull it through, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2, pick up the yarn, pull it through 2. So I'm going to make 3 double crochet. That's 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in the ring, and that will form your first cluster. Chain 2, 1, 2, and turn. Now that's the final chain 2 before I slip stitched, and I'm going to be working in the side of that. So 3 double crochet in this space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in that space. Okay, so we have this one, now we have this one. Now we're going to turn and work into this space. So chain 2, 1, 2, turn, 3 double crochet in this space. 1, 2, and 3. Chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in that same space. And just keep doing that. Chain 2, 1, 2. I'm going to turn. I'm going to work right here in that space. Turn. 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and 3. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and slip stitch in that same space. So we've done 4 of these clusters. And you just keep doing that until this is as long as you'd like to have it. So chain 2 and turn, 3 double crochet in that space. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, 1, 2, slip stitch in that same space, like that. And you just keep repeating that over and over. Okay, and that's what it will look like when you just keep adding more and more, as many as you like. And you can either just fasten off, or you can form a loop at the top. So to form a loop, I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to slip stitch just to get here at the center. So just slip stitch, and then I'm going to chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to slip stitch right there in that same stitch. And then fasten off, and then just weave that yarn in back into the finished work. To make the tassel, I wound yarn around a small piece of cardboard. You could use a credit card, approximately 10 times. Cut another length of yarn, pass it underneath the strands, and tie together here. And then cut open the loops. So now I'm going to tie around here, and I'm going to do this section of the tassel in a different color so you can see what I'm doing. So I have folded a piece of yarn and formed a loop, and I'm going to place my loop down so that it's sticking up above my tassel. And then I'm going to take this other end, and I'm going to wind it tightly around my tassel. Like that. Take the other end of the yarn and pass it through the loop. And now take this end of the yarn and pull that loop to the inside, like that. Cut off both ends of the yarn. And then you'll have a nice tight wrap around your tassel. Pull one of these yarn ends through and tie a knot. Trim the tassel nice and evenly, and weave these yarn ends back into the finished work. And there's your finished bookmark. You could also use these to make a bracelet, a small headband, a keychain, or a belt. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet these simple bookmarks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.